A video about saving and archiving. So I did a quick little retouch on this little puppy foot. It's going to get a little bit more work. You can see a few little things were taken away. I'm ready to save it. So I just hit Command S on my keyboard to save, and this dialog box pops up. You can save to cloud documents, or you can save it to your computer. Well, I always save to my computer while I'm working on things. If I know that I'm heading out to a different computer, school, someplace else, I would save to the cloud document so I could always grab it. After I get done with the entire workflow and I save to the computer, I'm definitely going to save to the cloud. I'm also going to save to a second hard drive. One thing I know in all the time I've been doing this is hard drives fail. And your fellow students will tell you the same thing. Their hard drive failed. Their hard drive got stolen. Their computer got stolen. But they had a backup. If they didn't have a backup, I've had more than one person crying in my office. So I always feel really bad. 2 backups, one your computer, one an external hard drive, and the third to a cloud service, whether it's Adobe, Dropbox, Google Photos. That's really up to you. Adobe makes it really simple right now. Save to cloud documents. One of my students was having trouble uploading her work to Canvas. And I believe that was because it was saved to the cloud. She couldn't easily access it from Canvas. So when you go to save to Canvas, have it on your desktop or in a folder on your hard drive tied to our class. I'm going to do save on computer. It's going to let me choose where to save it. So I'm going to create a desktop. I'm going to create a new folder down here at the bottom. I'm going to call it PHO101. And I'm going to say create. And then our format, it's going to be a Photoshop document, so we're going to leave it right where it is. Right now I'm going to leave the name as IMG8555. Remember, when you turn things in, you need to name it to our naming specifications for class. And I'm just going to hit save. This little dialog box pops up. It's just meaning it's going to be compatible with multiple versions of Photoshop, or backwards compatible with older versions. So we're going to hit OK. And now I'm ready to continue working. It's a good idea to save anytime you do something big. Computers crash. You may have already experienced that. Save every 5-10 minutes. And that's the basics. So back up, back up, back up.